Hi everybody, welcome to Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin Durak. Merhaba herkese. Türkçe derslerine hoş geldiniz. Ben Yasin Durak. Now, dear friends, today I'm going to help you learn how to use no and not in Turkish. Now, there are two different meanings as you see here. Usually we mean these kind of examples actually. For no, we say if used in a sentence, so the meaning will be like this. That means yok, here, yok. And if you use not, like short structures or short examples, then it will be like değil, değil. The soft G here is kind of not pronounced. So here, değil. All right. So yok and değil. Now let's see more examples. Teacher Yasin, how we can use this. No, as I said, normally no, if you say like yes and no to the answer, so that means normally higher, higher. But in examples, for example, you say, do you have money? No money. Maybe do you have time? No time. So in these examples, so this is what it means in Turkish. That's why I will focus on these examples. Please do not misunderstand the difference between like no as yes, no. This is kind of there isn't. This is what it means. Or not available or not existing. This is what it means. This is what we say. This is what we mean in Turkish. Yok. So, for example, as you see, no time. And one more thing I would like to tell you here from my followers of Turkish learning, some of them, asked for teacher asking, can you also explain in English as well while we are driving somewhere? We would like to hear in English and in Turkish. That's why I will say in English and in Turkish as well. For others, please do not misunderstand me and don't get bored. Let's now go on. No time. This means in Turkish, zaman yok. So as you see here, I highlighted, the colors in blue and in black. Time means in Turkish, zaman, zaman. Also, you can say in Turkish, vakit, vakit. So no time in Turkish we say zaman yok, zaman yok. All right, now let's see here. Another example. No food, no food. That means yiyecek yok, yiyecek yok. Let's say again. Yiyecek yok. Yiyecek yok. All right, now let's see here. Other examples. No money. If you say I don't have money in short style, you can say no money as well. So that means para yok. Money means in Turkish para. Para yok. Para yok. No love. Love. No love. That means sevgi yok, or you can say aşk yok. Well, aşk is like kind of the meaning of I love you. When you say this means that's what I mean. I mean, if there's no love in family relations, that's the word that normally we mean in Turkish. Aşk yok. There's no love. For example, you can say to your partner, girl or boy partner, there is no love between you and me. So in that case, so you can say aşk yok. All right, so let's continue our examples. Our examples, no help. In Turkish we say yardım yok. Yardım yok. Help means yardım as a noun form. No help, yardım yok. So let's see this in an example, what we mean actually when we say this in Turkish. Now let's see the English example. It means I have no time for it now. I have no time for it now. So in Turkish we say onun için şu an vaktim yok. Vakit means, vaktim means my time. I don't have my time. Vaktim yok, no time. Or you can say onun için şu an zamanım yok. So here time has two different meanings. Actually it's the same, but the way of you say in Turkish is different. Vaktim, zamanım. That means my time. So no time, vaktim, zamanım yok. Now let's see here not. How we use not in Turkish. It means here değil, değil, değil. Now here, as I said, at the beginning of the lesson, the soft G is used here, but actually it's not pronounced so actively. That's why, as if there is not that letter. So değil, Now let's see different examples. Not me. So in Turkish we say for this, ben değil. Ben değil. Ben değil, not me. For example, when you talk about someone who's responsible for this or who did this, when you ask something like this, when you say not me, so in that case in Turkish we can say ben değil. Ben değil. Not you. Not you. Not you. In Turkish we say sen değil. Sen değil. Not serious. Not serious. So here we say ciddi değil. Ciddi değil. Ciddi değil. Now, another example is not necessary. Not necessary. In Turkish we say gerekli, gerekli değil. Gerekli değil. Gerekli değil. When you say not now, in Turkish we say şimdi değil, şimdi değil, or you can say şimdi olmaz, şimdi olmaz. In Turkish, you may hear this from native speakers of Turkish people. They may use değil or olmaz. That means not now. So şimdi değil, şimdi olmaz. And one more example, not today. So you can say bugün olmaz, bugün olmaz, or you can say bugün değil, bugün değil. So that's all. I can give you some examples actually to help you learn. Now let's see this not form in an example. It's not necessary to do it. It's not necessary to do it. In Turkish we say bunu şimdi. Well, actually, I just forgot to put now in the example in English. But let me say in Turkish. Now in Turkish means şimdi. Bunu şimdi yapmaya gerek yok. Bunu şimdi yapmaya gerek yok. One more time. Bunu şimdi yapmaya gerek yok. Well, we use this in another style which gives the same meaning but different version. Let me say this. Bunu şimdi yapmak gerekli değil. Bunu şimdi yapmak gerekli değil. Well, this second example you may hear in case, I'm just showing it to you, but normally when you say the first one it's okay. It already works well. Bunu şimdi yapmaya gerek yok. That's what it means. It's not necessary to do it now. All right, that's all I can share actually. Let's see the summary part. No means yok in Turkish. So not means değil. Now, that's all I can share with you. I hope it's been a good lesson for you. If you have any questions or requests for further lessons, just, write to me below the video on YouTube. And I really appreciate your time. Bye for now.